Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I have got some happy mail. It arrived a while ago, admittedly, but I've been so busy I just had a chance to do it now. I've got my washing machine on, so if you hear any noise in the background, then please excuse it, because if I didn't get it done now, I don't know when I will. So let me just get my happy mail on. Oh my goodness, I'm not quite sure if you can see
this little piggy. Oh yes, and this one too.
It got here super quick, and I ordered them separately because this one was not in her shop as yet before I made the order for this one. So let me just open this one. It's a couple of them that I really wanted, so let me just open this. Where is my let's use my bone folder to open this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I covered up our addresses, as you can see. The envelope is such a nice color, hot pink, really nice. So let's start with this one, shall we? Ooh. Very excited. Oh my goodness. It's such a shame to tear it, and I hate tearing this pretty paper apart. I usually recycle my packaging, but never mind. It was wrapped lovely. Now this is from Esther. She's so lovely. Oh, thank you, Esther. She's just thanking me very much for my Etsy order and seeing me back at her shop again. That's lovely. You are most welcome, my dear. And I've wanted these challenges for quite a while, but I thought I'd wait and save up some money. I may not be using them for now, but at least I've got them. This is a lovely paper clip. It's the envelope with a love heart on it. It's lovely. That's lovely. Love that. Now let's see what we've got. I think this is a freebie. 5 Little Pigs Thank You Challenge. Oh, it's lovely. Piggies. Esther is super fast with her posting. I think she's got wings. She's a fairy, because I cannot believe it. These came so quickly. You know, when you've made an order for something and you're so excited to get it and you get kind of impatient. I didn't have time to get impatient, wondering where could it be, or has it left the seller's hands or whatever. Is it in the post? No way. By the time I blinked, they were here. So thank you so much, Esther. I will leave Esther's YouTube channel, the link for her YouTube channel, in the description below, and I will also leave her the link for her Etsy shop as well. This one I wanted, the Colourful Cube Cash Challenge, and the Rubik Cube, love that, and the Tremendous Leaf of Faith, save £400, and the highest denomination is £35. The last time I got one of these, but I put it into my, was it my 500 subscriber giveaway, I think it was. It saved £200, and you just colour in the letters. not quite sure what I'm saving for on any of these, but at least I've got them. And we've got the £2 savings challenge here, save £50, and then we got the roll the dice to roll with it, and it's what will you roll and save for. So you list what you're going to be saving for whatever comes up on the dice between 1 and 6, then you just mark it off. And then you've got I'll be saving the money. Love owls so much, and I love that as well. Great. I thought I ordered a wafty. I'll have to go back to my order and have a look. And there you go. Lovely. Love that. Let's just make sure it's not in there. Nope. And then I ordered this one as soon as it came into her shop, because when I ordered these ones, as I said, it wasn't in the shop as yet, and I really wanted this, and I'm so glad that it came in early into the shop, because I'm going away on the 11th of this month. So I just am so glad that it's here. I got it before, because I was a bit concerned. I was saying to myself, oh my goodness, I wonder if Esther's going to list them before I go. Shall I send her an email and find out when she's going to list them in order for her to reserve one for me? But she listed them early, so I got them. Thank you so much for your order. So excited for you to get your new products, Esther. Thank you, Esther. And I've got another paper clip here, and that's a little piggy. I'm going to be collecting these from Esther. I wanted this little piggy so much. Oh, that's lovely. Wafty piggy keychain. That is so lovely. Really love that. And then another freebie, when pigs fly, £5 per image will save you £50. That's lovely. And then this is what I really wanted. Oh my goodness, this is what I really wanted. Love that. It's the savings challenges, the mini money matters. And this is the dandelions. I like dandelions. Colour and save. Lovely. And this one is save £10, £1. I might use a dice for this, I'm not sure. And Woodland Wonder. Lovely. And it's cross off and save. Each shape represents, and depending on how much I want to save. And then have a heart. Each heart represents £2, save £20. Love that. The fruit salad, love fruit salad, because I'm not a meat eater, so I eat a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables, sometimes not enough, but I hope this will encourage me to eat more. Now that the weather's getting warmer as well, I enjoy my fruits better, and I enjoy my smoothies as well better. In the colder days, I like to have hot food. Anyway, this one is cross off and save. Each fruit represents whatever you're gonna save. And daisies, love daisies again. Daisy Dosh, £1 per daisy, save £20. So these are nice and manageable. Adventure awaits, cross off and save. Each shape represents whatever you want it to represent. And then the treasure trove, save £30. This is lovely. Oh, so nice. And then the sweet treats. Each treat represents whatever you want it to represent. And What a great mini saving book. It's lovely. And then the sunflower savings. Love sunflowers. I've got some to plant before the ending of this month. Got to keep them indoors until they reach a certain height, and then I'll take them out once the weather gets warmer. That's lovely. Sunflower savings. And the largest denomination on here is £5. You save £55. That is amazing. Love that. Love them all. Goodness me, love them. Do you know what, the reason why I didn't get a wafty was because she didn't have them on their own. She only had them with the wallet, and I've got so much cash wallets here that I thought it's no point me getting another one. But do you know what, I really like that wafty, so I think I'm gonna have to get it. Just gonna have to get it, because you can never have enough envelopes really, because they wear out, wear and tear, and you know, you put stickers on them, and then to get the stickers off or whatever, and they get inked up with the permanent markers and stuff when you're marking off. So I think I might just have to go back and get that. But this is my happy meal, and I'm so happy for May that I got something, and I'm so happy that I was able to support a small business, and I'm really happy with that. Oh, so thank you so much, Esther. Listen, you need to get to Esther's shop and make your order, because she is super quick. She is just I swear she's a fairy. That's that. Really happy with it all. Thank you so much, Esther. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.